Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a new profile in Chrome. Chapter 1. Create Chrome Profile. To get started, open Chrome. There, click on the user icon and at the bottom, click on Add. It is possible to create a user without an account or click Sign In to log in to Chrome. Enter the desired email and password. Synchronization can be activated. Now you can choose your preferred profile color to customize the look. If you want to make any changes, you can click on your profile at the top. There it is now possible to switch between profiles, or you can click on the pencil icon to edit your profile if you need to. Chapter 2. Delete Chrome Profile. If you want to remove your profile from Chrome, open the browser. Click on your user and then click on the cog icon to manage profiles. On the profile to delete, click on the 3 points of More Actions. Select Delete. You must confirm this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.